Give me 30 seconds or 1 minute. Let me get a drink. Meanwhile, please take a look at loanfactory.com. Okay? I'll be right back. 1 minute. Thank you. Okay. So, thank you for showing up today. There will be a lot that I show with you. So please pay attention. And I want you to think, because whatever I show you is very special. Everything that I show to you helped me become #1 loan officer in the country. And it's gonna help you become a better loan officer. It might help you become more successful if you adopt. You don't have to join Loan Factory, but the goal here is to learn, right? Find out what's going on, what I use to help my business, help other loan officer. And of course, you want to learn, you want to compare what you do versus what others are doing. Why, what I'm doing that working and bringing a lot of business so that you can apply it to your business, right? So I want you to keep thinking and compare your current company versus Loan Factory. Why we are doing all of this versus your company. What are they doing to help you? And as a loan officer, you run your own business. You are independent. And you don't have to be loyal to one company. If the company doesn't help you, why would you stay with them? Right? You should stay with a company that help you become more successful. That's it. It's the reality. And even at Loan Factory, when some loan officer leave Loan Factory, I talk to them and learn why you leave Loan Factory so that I can become better. So the goal is becoming better and better. When my client decide not to work with me, I call the client and ask them, hey, tell me why you don't work with me, why you choose another loan officer. Find out why you lose so that you can improve, right? You want to improve so that next time you have another client, you don't lose the client again. If you keep losing the client, you better know why. You better know why and try to improve so that next time you lose the client, it's not because of the same reason, right? So imagine you are with a company where the rates are so high. You keep losing client because of that. The client keeps shopping around and say, your rate is too high, I cannot work with you. Then you better find another company that gives you better pricing, right? Simple. So try to think hard for your business. Find out the problem and fix the problem. That is the key. Okay? So now I'm going to share with you Loan Factory. I'm going to share with you Loan Factory. I will share with you the screen. Okay. When I show a lot of things to you, if you are not sure, if you not completely understand or you have a question, raise your hand right away so that I can address it right away. But if you have any question that not related, please wait to the end. Okay? Thank you. Please wait to the end if it's not related. So here is our main website. It's beautiful and it's functional. When I say functional, it is helping you bring in more business. It's not only pretty, but it's functional. It does the work for you. And every loan officer at Loan Factory, we have a website like this. And you can customize it too. We build a website for every loan officers. And user, when they first go in, they will be impressed because of this program, $1,000 best price guarantee. We guarantee that come to us, you get the best pricing. If not, we pay you $1,000. And we have the terms and conditions right here. We wrote out to all states, and we have terms and conditions right here. And it is a simple 3-step process. This is a program, not an advertisement. Okay, so the consumer can upload the estimate that they obtain from another loan officer out there. Loan Factory will review the LE and tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, we tell the borrower to close the loan with the other loan officer and send us the CD so that we can verify that it's true that you close the loan with that term, and we pay you $1,000. It's pretty simple, right? So we want consumer to shop around. We want consumer to have better rate, and we challenge our loan officer. We challenge our client to shop around so that they can get better pricing, better rate for their benefit. So we will exclude jumbo and high balance loan. We only honor fixed rate conventional loan, FHA and VA loan. We exclude everything else. Okay. Any question on this? And you, as the loan officer, when you join the factory, you can promote this program. We have a lot of marketing material to help you promote this. You can promote this program. And let's say if you have to compete, feel free to compete. And let's say the worst case scenario, we cannot win, then the company will pay. You don't have to pay. The company Loan Factory will pay for this $1,000. You can go ahead and compete to give your client better pricing. This is really cool because it helps you promote yourself. It will help you catch the attention of a lot of consumers, and you will get engagement from the consumer. Some of them will send you loan estimate and say, "Hey, help me. I want a lower rate. This is my best offer from another loan officer. Can you beat it?" Now you have a chance to win, to prove that you have better rate, that you have a chance to win client, right? It's good. Why not? No, you have no downside, only upside. You have a chance to get more clients, help with clients, and make money. Hi, Eva.
Hi, thank you. So do we have to use a particular lender? I know you had said you built your business by, I forget which lender you had said. So when we're doing that first best price guarantee, is there just like a certain lender we go to, or what does that look like?
Good question. And you can see that we are working with over 240 lenders. Our system is slow. We're working with a lot of lenders, and you can work with any lenders you want to. No restriction at all. As long as you give the client the most competitive rate so that you can beat out other offers out there. That's it. You have all the freedom. Eva? Hi, Carter. Hello, Carter. Hello, Carter. You look like you're mute.
I'm sorry, I was muted. I apologize. Thank you.
Yeah.
The question I have is pertaining to the price guarantee.
Yes.
Is that based on lender paid comp or borrower paid comp?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
What matters is we challenge our competitor, and we can prove to our client that we give them the best possible pricing. If not, we'll pay them 1,000. So it doesn't matter if it's borrow pay or lender pay, but normally when we have to compete, we have to charge less. And that means we have to go borrow pay, or we have to go with correspondent channel. With the correspondent channel, we have a lot of flexibility with our count, and we can lower the count until we can beat the other offer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And you can see that not only that we promote this loan, this program, but we have our pricing engine for the consumer to play around with so that they can trust us, right? We don't just talk, we can prove it. And in order to prove it, we have our pricing engine right here. Hey, go ahead and play with it. We have it here. You can play with it. If you don't trust us, play around with us, with it. And the consumer can run a pricing. Hey, Naveed.
How are you today?
Good.
Good. Hey, I had a quick question on this $1,000 price. Best Guarantee,
Yes.
you said that we can use your technology, your platform to customize the site.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the back-end technology, the customization tools, and what we have to do to be compliant and
Yeah.
take care of all that? Thank you.
Everything we do, we build everything for you already, even the marketing material, even the lead funnel, the landing page and all that. We build everything for you. All you need to do is you can post. I will share with you later on. We have marketing material for you to post on social media, or we have ads template. You can just click and run the ads. Everything we done for you already. You don't have to worry about the compliance because we provide all the material and the system for you to promote the program and get new clients. So I will share with you soon. Okay. So here is our pricing engine. You can customize your website easily. You can select what lender you want on your pricing engine. You can set the compensation that you want to charge your client. You can customize that. There's a lot of customization that you can do. So here is our pricing engine, right? You can run the pricing. And our system is really smart. It will detect the income to tell if the borrower qualifies for some special treatment. So for example, if the borrower credit score is only 650, right? And I know that with other pricing engine like Loan Shifter or Lender Price, you don't input the borrower income, and therefore you don't get any discount, any special program, and therefore you will quote your client 7% rate with no point. So this is our pricing engine. Very easy to use. Click, you get the answer, right? And the answer, remember, this is for the consumer. What they see is what they get. Very simple. They see that they have a choice of different rate and different points of credit. If they want 7%, they get 0 point. If they want lower rate, they pay points. If they pick higher rate, they get credit. Simple, right? And then the lender is right here on the right side. And you as the loan officer on your website, you can decide to hide this column. You can hide the lender name if you don't want borrower to mess around with it. To know, you can hide it. Okay. And here you can click on that to see the breakdown. You can see that we can make 1% on this loan. Okay. But what I want to show you first is the system, the pricing engine is so easy to use. We want to keep everything so simple for our client. And even for you, you don't want complicated stuff. So rate 7%, no point in the payment. This is what other loan officers out there would offer their client. But imagine you join Loan Factory. you will be asking this question, right? And you can say, you can ask the borrower, hey, what is your income? And the borrower tell you that their income is $230,000 a year, which is really high for the rest of the country, but not in where I live, Silicon Valley. And if their income is $230,000 a year, they get special discount. They can waive the LLPA waiver, LLPA adjustment. So let's see, I will quote the client this way. You quote the client 7%, I will quote the client 6.375 with 500 credit. Who gonna win? For sure, I'm gonna win, right? So technology does help a lot. Technology help you win the client, help you to provide better rate to your client, right? So the pricing is much better because we can waive all of the adjustment like here. 2.25%, we waive it. We put a cap on it because the borrower income is considered low or average. The government is helping. So this is why I say our pricing engine is more powerful, it's easy to use, and it helps you locate the loan program to help your clients. And there's many more things that are very helpful. For example, the borrower asks you, hey, should I buy down the rate? Okay, if you want to buy down, you can get 6%. You can pay $6,000 extra. And here I can compare for you. So in here, you can see at 6%, the borrower have to pay $6,500 difference, and they will save $97 per month. It will take them 5 years, 7 months to break even. And they will, after that, they will save money. And the total they can save is $35,000. So, and then you can share it with them. Everything happens so fast, so easy, and so convenient. You can share. That's how you win the trust of your client. Anything they ask, you have an answer quickly and so transparent, so quick, so fast, you can email to them too. That's how you can build the trust. As a professional, you cannot say, I don't know, or give me time. You cannot say all of that. Or you cannot say, I'm not sure. Or you cannot say, I don't know how, right? We have tools to help you. And even better than that, you can compare to 20 years. So for example, you can compare to 20 years. And you can see that with 20 years, the rate is much better. Let me delete this. So we will compare a 30-year versus 20-year. And you can see that with 20-year fixed, the borrower can save $210,000, a lot. Because every month they pay $370 extra, and with compound interest, they save so much. And this will help you win better. Some consumer, they want to go short term. They can afford 20 years. Or with the case of refinance, people want to refinance. They already paid 3 years. They have 27 years left. If you refinance and make them pay closing costs, they don't like it. If you refinance and force them to pay another 30 years, they only pay 3 years. Remember that. They don't like it. So now you tell them, hey, how about this? You do 20 years. The payment is a little bit more, but you pay off so much faster and you save so much money. People would love you. And this is why I'm good at refinance. When people talk to me, I show them the benefit, real benefit of refinancing. I can do this. I even can do this. Refinance, right? I run the pricing. I run the pricing. And let's say the borrower credit score is better. You can see that. Imagine I quote them 6.75%. Their rate right now 7%. They say, oh, the saving is too little, from 7 to 6.75. The rate go down so little. And I have to extend another 3 years on the mortgage. I have to pay longer. I don't like it. If the borrower tell me that, I tell them that. How about let's try 20 years? And I can give you 6.5. I can give you 6.5. Let me go back here. I'm sorry. 6.75 versus 20 year at 6.5. So I can show them that you have 27 years left, right? And your rate is 7%. Look at the payment. Look at the payment. Look at the saving. Oh, no. There's some little bug. So you can see that the borrower saved this much. If they go 20 years, that will help consumer to make decision faster. Why don't I refinance? I pay nothing. I pay nothing. And they say $218,000. So, and then you can share that to your client as well. Hi, Carter. You still have your hand raised?
Hello, yes. On the refinancing, specifically cash out refinancings, do most of the lenders that you work with have a seasoning period for the cash out refis?
Yeah, it's under guideline of Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. So
Okay.
the refinance in 6 months. However, you can refinance in less than 6 months. If the amount you can cash out is limited by the money that you put into your purchase. So not many loan officers understand delay financing or understand how much they can do cash out. Yeah, just to let you know that. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So in this price, remember this is for the consumer. They can do all of this, right? And they can even do, you and them can even compare an FHA loan versus FHA loan versus a conventional loan. So let me share with you. So let's say if a conventional loan borrower have low credit score, right? And let's say we go with 30-year fixed. The rate is 6.25. Well, how come it's so low? Oh, because something wrong. Why the rate is so good? 20% down, low credit score. Yeah, it's weird. Oh, because of this. Because of this. Okay, so let's say the borrower have low credit score, and because they have low credit score, the rate is almost 7%, right? Now, you wonder if the rate will be better if we go with FHA loan. So you can choose FHA loan and run the pricing. And then the rate now is 5.875. And then you can compare. One is conventional, one is FHA. And even though FHA, you have to pay monthly MI, but you will save a lot of money because the payment is less and the total saving is more. So yes, you can compare different options. Hi, Sirisa.
Hi. I have a question. Do you work with lender paid buy downs for
Oh, good question.
refinance?
Okay, it's up to you. It's up to you. So let me share with you. At Loan Factory, we said all lenders have the same compensation except Provident Funded. All lenders have the same compensation. Lender pay compensation is lender pay compensation is 2.5.
My question is lender paid buy downs for a refinance program. I'm talking about a buy down program.
Normally, buy down program, there are two types of buy down program: the permanent buy down and temporary buy down. Permanent buy down is, I showed you earlier, the consumer can pick lower rate and pay for it. And that is easy, you don't have to worry about that. Temporary buy down is you buy down only the first 1 or 2 years. Let's say 2-1 buy down. And the 2-1 buy down, the first year you buy down 2% of the rate. The second year you buy down 1% of the rate. And most of the buy down, the temporary buy down, there is no benefit. You have to pay exactly the same amount as the saving. So there's no benefit. And the question is, why would people buy down if there's no benefit? And the answer is because the seller, they want you to buy their house. They are willing to pay an X amount of money to help you get lower rate on the first or 2 years, 1 or 2 years. That's it. So you understand that? If you have questions, just ask me.
I'm asking like some lenders are doing like a lender paid buy down. It is not seller.
There's no lender pay buy down in here. I don't think any lender will do lender pay buy down. It doesn't make sense. Why would the lender pay you to buy down the rate? It doesn't make sense.
I think Paramount Mortgage is paying that, doing that.
No, lender will not pay. It's the seller that pay. When the borrower buy the house from the seller want to motivate you to buy the property, so they will pay for the buy down, the temporary buy down. The lender will never pay for the buy down. They are the lender. They selling the rate. They selling the loan. Why would they pay to help you with lower rate? Right? It doesn't make sense.
They are increasing the interest rate and using that as
That is exactly like this, right? They give you higher rate. They give you credit, or they when they increase the rate, you are conflicting when you say that they increase the rate so that they can buy it out for you. Because
yeah,
that
2-1 buy down. They are doing like a 2-1 buy down, increasing the rate.
Listen. Oh, okay, I understand what you mean now. So they increase the rate to 6% so that they have money, so that they can buy down temporarily for you the first 1 or 2 years.
Yeah.
So they can use this money to help you get lower rate on the first year. But that is not helpful, and I never like it, because that is they playing game with you. So for example, they play game with you, and I don't like lender that playing game. The borrower, the consumer have no benefit. The consumer have no benefit. With temporary buy down, there's no benefit at all. And because there's no benefit for the consumer, why would we want to mess with it? So for example, the lender can choose 7.25. The borrower will get this much credit from the lender, but instead of give it to the borrower, they keep the money. they buy out the rate for the borrower. So that the first year, the borrower gets 5.25%. The second year, the borrower gets 6.25%. But then for the rest, 28 years, the borrower will suffer. The word suffer with super high rate. And therefore, you should not do it. It's cheating. It's hurting the consumer. Why not be upfront with them that, hey, you want to get money back? Pick this high rate and you get this much back. Just be upfront with them. Hey, Tony. Hello, Tony.
Sorry. So I did have a quick question on that. Would that be more beneficial to the consumer if they were not planning on staying in the house very long to do that buy down?
Yeah, if that is the case, I would take 7.25, keep the money on my pocket, and move out quickly in a year or two, right? Why not? It's better than buy down 1 or 2 years. It won't help me much. Take the cash. It's a lot of money. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, yeah, we can keep go on. There's so much more to discuss, and I don't want to waste time on that. I want to share with you what we do here at Loan Factory that make us better. Everything we do very transparent. The consumer, after they see the rate, they can check to see if they qualify or not. They can enter their income 7,000. Our system will tell them if they qualify or not. Okay, we can tell them if they qualify or not, and then they can also review the fee. Our system will show the fee right away for them, or they can apply. They click on apply. Our system will show them a short version of the application, and it's also powered by AI. I will show that to you soon. So the borrower will fill out the application. Loan officer like you can also create a new application, and there's many ways. You can import XML file. You can invite borrower to fill out the application. You can manually fill out the application, or you can have AI to help you fill out the application. If you select AI, then you can drag the document in here. It can be your driver license, tax, pay stub, W-2, bank statement. You drag the document in here, AI will read it and fill out application for you. AI will also calculate DTI for you, where you can play around with the number afterward. So nowadays, technology is amazing. So I want to share with you the loan process, and I call that do-it-yourself mortgage. Do-it-yourself mortgage. Very cool. And because of this process, do-it-yourself mortgage, we always get 5-star review from our clients. I mean, normally, when you have 10 clients, there will be 1 or 2 clients that are not happy with you, right? Because they are unqualified, they got rejected, we're missing paperwork, we are delayed in. There's a lot of problem. But at Loan Factory, 100% of our clients get 5-star review. I would say more than 99.99%. We all get 5-star review. And that is what you want. We are providing a service. We're selling the service. And if the client is not happy with you, that is not good. Loan Factory, all our clients are happy with us because of the technology and the way we do business. So transparent, very transparent. We create the process we call do-it-yourself mortgage. The borrower will do most of the work. They are in control of the process. They know what's going on. So they are the one that go to our website and check the rate. They fill out the application, right? and they upload the document to us. After that, you go to, let me share with you. I have to use this sandbox server, not the production server because of the privacy. I cannot show the real client. These are not real clients. So after the borrower fill out the application, our system will send you a text message about, hey, there's new client apply on your website. And then you can call the client. And when you call them, you can see if the borrower finished 75% or 42% or 100% of the loan. You can click on this to see their name, their phone number, their email. You can call them up and help them. Say, hey, Penny, I saw that you are filling out the application and you got stuck at 42%. I can help you finish it. You got stuck at this page, access, and you didn't fill it out. Why is it? What is your bank name? So you can help the client finish it, right? So after you can help the client finish it. And when you helping the client, every step of the way is really nice. For example, at the liability page, we ask the borrower for permission to add the number in the do not call registry. This way we can block the trigger lead. See, things like this, we can help you. And you can turn on the switch to allow borrower to pull and pay for their credit report on your website. We built for you. You can customize it. You can do that. So after after you call the borrower and help them finish the application, upload all the document, then you have it's 100% complete here. You can run the pricing to create red alert and find the lender. So you can find the lender for your client. And let's say that lender is PennyMac. You can create red alert. And you can call the client up and say, hey, Penny, thank you for finish the application. Upload all the document. I have reviewed your file. Everything look good. I send the loan to the lender named PennyMac. They will approve the loan within 1 or 2 days. Meanwhile, I already create a red alert, and we will send out a red alert to you every morning before 9 a.m. So please check your email every morning for the rate. If you don't understand, call me. I will explain to you. If you like the rate, call me so that I can lock the rate for you. So we allow the client to monitor the rate and tell us when they want to lock. We empower them. They have more control, more power, right? They monitor the rate. They tell us when to lock the rate. And then you need to convert it to a loan. And when you convert it to a loan, you will decide whether you want to send it to wholesale or correspondent. If it's wholesale, then you have to select lender pay or borrower pay. If it's lender pay, you cannot change the compensation at all. If it's borrower pay, you can change the compensation lower. Okay, and that's it. You can write a loan story for the borrower, for the processor to understand. The processor will take over the loan. They will register the loan to the lender, issue disclosure, and take care of the condition, take care of the loan until it's closed. You don't need to touch it again. The processor will do all of the work. They work with escrow, title, insurance agent, HOA, everyone to close the loan for you. You don't have to deal with it. However, we force the loan processor to call you to go over all conditions. Make sure you and them are on the same page. make sure we know how to clear that. And they will have to escalate to you if they cannot close the loan fast enough. So the process, you can see that you do very little. The processor do most of the work. The borrower do most of the work. You are just helping both of them by structure the loan, decide the lender, and decide how much you want to make. So that is the loan process at Loan Factory. Very easy, simple for everyone. And you can go to your pipeline, prospect and loan pipeline, to see the status, to see the condition, to see when it's going to close, to see if we lock or not. And then you can click on the note to see what's going on. So everything is on your fingertip. You know what's going on. Let me take a few questions. Hey, Renee.
Hi, hello. My question was regarding the AI application. Does the documents needs to be like PDF files, or what kind of files can you upload for the?
It can be images, JPEG. Yeah. AI is like human. They can read it and understand it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And our AI soon will be able to validate too. If you send in a bank statement that's missing a page, we will know, we'll tell you. If you send in a home insurance that expired, or the doubling coverage is not sufficient, we'll tell you. That way you can catch the problem and fix it right away. You can close faster.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Renee. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Nancy. We cannot hear you, so we have to move on until you fix your mic. So that is the loan process. Let me switch back to this. Let me switch back to this. So at Loan Factory, we build our own technology, from the pricing engine to POS to LOS to CRM, marketing, and many more. So much more. And I'm going to share with you more about our tech stack. You don't have to subscribe to any other software. You don't need Arrive or LendingPack anymore. You don't need pricing engine like Loan Shifter or LenderPrice anymore. You don't need any CRM software. You don't need anything. We build everything for you. And it's completely free. It's free. So right now, if you work for a company, they either charge you a monthly fee, or they cut a lot on your commission, right? At Loan Factory, we pay you 100% commission minus a flat fee of $5.95. Very little. You keep 100%. So when you convert to a prospect to a loan, you decide how much is the commission, right? And you pay us a flat fee. You pay us a flat fee. We also offer $500 in-house processing fee, which is cheaper than most other places. I will provide the training. So for example, let me share with you our marketplace. Our marketplace here. So on the marketplace, oh no, let me share with you this marketplace. You see production. You can see our marketplace, we have 247 lenders. These lenders are live. That means the AE are live. You can click on it and talk to them face to face. They can answer your question. 7 online. And our lender, you can go with correspondent. Right now we have this state. We are correspondent in this state. And we have 3 states. or you can choose wholesale. And then you can select the lender name. You can select Fifth Street. You can click on it to see the detail, who's the AE, information, lock policies, and fee EPO policy. You can see all of this. Okay. Also, you can see if any lender offer private loan. We have 90 lenders that offer private loan. Or you can say which lender offer mobile home loan. And we have three, mobile home loan, we have so many, huh? Yeah, we have more now. You can, strange, so many lenders. So mobile home loan, you can go with any like commercial, and you can see that we have 65 commercial lender. And you can reach out to these lender one by one to talk to them about your scenario. Or you can send email to all of them right here. You click on it, you can write out the scenario here. And you allow the lender to help you. When you fill it out, you can send it to 10 or 20 lender, and you can post it. The lender will receive a text message or email, and they will get back to you. And you can see it right here. Lender finder here. You can see the lender finder here. And you can see that loan officer asking a question, and we have all the people answer. 27 comments. You can see a lot of lender answer, and that will help you. That you don't have to say no ever again to your clients or your realtor, because we have so many lenders who are willing to work with you and help you. You don't have to lose the opportunity. Okay. So this is our lender finder. On our loan factory support, you can reach out to the support specialist or the underwriting manager or the coach, loan officer coach. They can help you. This is our marketplace. If you go to team, you can see a lot of team where you can join them. You can see a lot of team, and you can join the team. Or you can go to mentorship. You can see the list of mentor. You can join a mentor, or you can be a mentor. If you join a mentor, they can help you, but you have to pay them a split. For the first 5 loans, we require brand new loan officer to work with a mentor or the team and split the commission with them. They can help you. Events. We have a lot of events coming up almost every day. And like here, weekly sale call later today. Our CLO provide LO and OPS weekly meeting. So that's a lot of event that you can join and learn a lot. And you also can join for the completed one, you can watch it again. You can watch the training, my training, or loan officer training. So you can watch this event again anytime you want to. Hi, Nancy. Hello, Nancy. Okay, I have to move on. So we have tons of events for you to learn. And if you pay attention, we have 3 pipelines: leads, prospect, and loans. We move from lead to prospect to loan. That's how we get things done. And let me share with you more about the benefit. Marketing support. We have a team of 11 marketing staff who can help you with anything related to marketing. So if you want them to create a custom image for you, they can do it. If you want them to edit a video for you, they can do it. If you want them to help you run an ads, they can help you. So, and it's free. Everything's free. Underwriting support, we have 5 full-time underwriters who can help you with your loan. If you have a difficult loan, they can help you calculate DTI. They can help you fight against the lender. They are helping you. We don't charge a monthly fee or junk fee like many lenders, many brokers. Many brokers, they charge you monthly fee, technology fee. They make you pay for all of the subscription. And there's so many subscriptions that you have to buy. And those subscriptions are not good because you don't have to use that. You don't have to make it powerful for you. So at Loan Factory, we make things really simple to help you so that you can use it. 100% commission minus a flat fee of $5.95, 500 in-house processing. Commission for W2 or 1099 is up to 250 bps and not be more than that. Some of you might receive company lead in some of the state that we don't have presently. If you refer a loan officer to join Loan Factory, you can earn a referral bonus too. So any questions before I move on to the next topic? Remember, we have 3 pipelines: list, prospect, and loan. So now let me move to.
I had a quick question, if I may.
Yeah, please.
I'm sorry, I had to step away. So if you answered, I apologize. But I noticed, like, with the states you're licensed in, are we allowed, like, to? It seems like you can commission share. So could we partner with somebody that's licensed? So are we able to do states even if we're not directly licensed in that state, or what does that look like?
So if you have a license, you can work with any other licensed loan officer and get paid. No problem. You can.
But
If you don't have a license, the only time we can pay you is if you are a W2 loan officer. If you are a 1099 loan officer, we cannot pay you. It is compliant. RESPA. We cannot pay for referral fee.
Got it. So you can only do loans and businesses you're directly licensed in, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, thank you.
And this is no. One exception is if you are W2, we have W2 loan officer. And if you are W2, you can refer to the company.
Okay.
We pay you 50% of the commission.
Oh, I see. Got it. So we have to look at, and on our team, we could probably have one W2 loan officer and one person that's 1099. We'll talk more about that if you talked about that. I'll have to search a little more into that, but that's a different topic. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Eva. Thank you. Nancy, can you fix your mic? Hey, Carter. Hello, Carter.
Yes, thank you. I'm sorry. Last question. On the loan processing fee, that's paid by the client at closing, or does that come out of our commission?
It depends. If you use third-party processor, you can charge and make the borrower pay for it. You don't have to pay. Or if you are sending the loan to the correspondent channel, then you don't have to pay. You can make the lender. I'm sorry. You can make the borrower to pay for the processing fee. But in my opinion, it doesn't matter. And my advice is not to charge the borrower the processing fee, because you can accomplish the same thing by raising your compensation a little bit so that you have money to pay for the processing. If you raise the rate a little bit, the borrower doesn't know. They don't care. They don't know about the rate or fee too much. I mean, not all points, but they look at the fee. They don't want to see the processing fee on Section A, because that means Section A, the borrower have to pay the lender so much, and they don't like it. So my advice is really simple: increase the rate a little bit, so that you have enough money to pay for the processing fee.
Makes sense. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now is a little more exciting part, which is our system. Our system, we have the main feature. Rate Alert is one of the big features that helped me win so many clients. So basically, in the last 3 years, the borrower end up with high rate, right? The past 3.5 years. Anyone buy a house in the last 3.5 years, they are having high rate right now. And they're all in and waiting for rate to drop to refinance. So they want to be the first one to know rate dropping, and they start the process and lock in the pricing soon before it go back up. We can offer that. We can offer rate alert service. We will help borrower or consumer to track the rate, and when rate drop, they reach out to us. So for example, at Loan Factory, we have 38,000 consumers waiting to work with us if rate drop. So we have it done automatically. We send it to the borrower and ask them to check the rate in there. If they like the rate, call us the rate for them. So you shift the responsibility to monitor to the borrower. They will do everything for you. Play around. Give me 30 seconds. Let me get some more drink. Sorry about that. Okay, so the rate alert is really powerful. I have 38,000 inactive alert, and I have 302 alert that would rate hit. And I can go to these and call them and convert them. And these, they have a loan application. I can call them to lock the rate. I've been emailing them automatically. So the goal is to sign up a lot of consumer to offer them that we will monitor the rate for them a lot. And this borrower will become your client. We email them every month or every week to stay in front of them. Any question about rate alert?
Joan, this is
Yes.
Kopin. I have a quick question.
Yes.
So when you say initially the price match thing, I talk with few of my friends. They are loan officer in different state. Now, we are matching only with interest rate or with origination fee also? I mean,
Can
some
you
people offering.
couldn't hear the first few words.
What I'm saying is like interest rate, right? 30 years fixed. Suppose somebody is in New Jersey is giving it 6% interest rate. We are giving the same thing, 6%, but our origination fee is $7,000. Do we match with that? Because they don't charge the origination fee. We charging 3,500 origination fee.
So our promise is the best price. That means including rate and fee.
Also, we match with the origination fee also.
Yes, rate and fee. And the
Okay.
fee here is Section A, not the other fee. The fee that not related to the loan is, we should ignore that. So
Okay.
it's the fee that in Section A. Rate and
Okay.
fee. Yeah.
Because in your website, right, the second page where you just get an estimation on the quotes, that is where I see the difference, because I'm showing the same interest rate what he's getting from New Jersey, but the interest rates are matching, but the fees are not matching. So
Yeah. We still have some issue with the fee
okay.
because some of the fee not related to the loan. We are not responsible. We're only responsible for the fee that related to the loan,
Oh, okay.
the lender.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's why I say Section A of the loan estimate is what we can control, and we will use to determine if our pricing is better or not.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So let me move on. So there's a lot of feature at Loan Factory. By the way, we are launching our Loan Factory IQ next week. It's similar to HomeBot or My Home IQ. And loan officer at Loan Factory, we can use it for free. We are launching it sometime next week. This is a commission request. You can, when you close a loan, you go here and click on this to request commission. Easy. The ticket, if you have any question, you can create a ticket and we will get back to you. My referral partners is where you keep track of all the partner and keep track of all the referral. You build relationship with your realtor and hopefully you can win more realtor business. This is all of these are marketing features. So Facebook ads, you can run Facebook ads. After you set up the account with Facebook, you can click here to run ads. And this is really cool. You can run ads with 3 clicks. And we build the software for you for free. It's the same thing at Lead Hacker. We actually have better template than Lead Hacker. So you can run an ad on Facebook. The first step is you select lead form or website traffic. Let's say if you select lead form, you can select what kind of campaign you want to run. You can run the Best Price Guarantee campaign right here. You can select it. When you select it, we have all the wording and the picture show up for you. We pick everything for you. All you need to do is select the daily budget, $15 or something. You select the end date when you want to stop the ads. You go down here, you select the state that you want to run the ads and if any language you want to target. So that's it. Really fast and simple way to run an ads. You can run ads based on many other, like you want to target the refinance client, the OnePlus client, the HitLock client, the Spanish, you know, there's so many things that you can do, like different language, different loan program, like 1% down, 2% rent. This is the OnePlus. This is English version. So we have a lot of marketing materials to help you as well. This is just the ads. When you run it, let's say you run this ad, you can also check the box here. That means our system, when we have a new lead arrive, we will text you so that you can call the client in real time. When the user click on your ad, it becomes your lead. They said they want to work with you. It becomes your lead. Our system will notify you, send you a text message so that you can call the client out to help them. Really fast, really powerful. Company Google review. We have over 12,000 reviews. All of them are 5-star. So when you join Loan Factory, we help you collect 5-star reviews. Our process are so good. Our processes are good. We will help you. We'll help the client to make sure they are happy, and they will give you 5-star review. So you can create. We will help you create a Google My Business profile so that you can start collecting 5-star review. And the processor will help you with that. Our processor will help talk to the client, show them how good we are, and at the end, ask them to give a 5-star review. And they are motivated because they earn a commission from the company. So they have to work hard and ask your client for a 5-star review. That is the requirement for the staff. Okay. We have marketing material, which is, we have thousands of marketing material. You can pick different language too. And for English, we have probably more than 500 of these images where you can click on it and generate your own image like this. And you click on it, it's generate automatically. And then you can post it. So we have so many material, so much material, I'm sorry. If you go to marketing material, you can create my internet is a little slow. I have to load so much. So this is the Vietnamese version. I can change the English version. And we have so many. You can do a daily rate. You can generate a daily rate image and promote it. You can generate a review. Let's say you have 5-star review. You can generate it and post it on your social media. If you create the one really fast, you can promote it. You can generate image and promote it. So, for example, this one. By the way, we are working on what we call automated marketing. Instead of go here and generate, click on the image to generate your own version. Our system, with your permission, our system will generate the image, post it, generate the text, and post everything on your social media. We can do all of this for you automatically. So whenever, let's say on that given month, you close 5 loans. We know that. We promote you. Hey, what a great month. You can close 5 loans. You can close 7 loans. So our system can help you with all of this. Or you can even request a customized image right here. And we will fulfill it. Whatever you want, we can help you, and we don't charge any money. We have email drip campaign where you can drip your client or your realtor, or you can drip the past client or lead or prospect. You can create drip campaign. Mailing list is very similar. I went to this trade show. I sent out a lot of email. Let's say this one, 333. Okay, so that's a mailing list. Company lead funnel. So when you run a traffic lead, a traffic campaign, you bring traffic to your landing page. And from there, you can expand, right? Mailing list is just a static email list. Company lead funnel and widget. Yeah, you can create widget and lead funnel on your own if you want to, or you can ask our Mosul team, they can help us. Miscellaneous feature, there's nothing. So these are the features that we have at Loan Factory. Any question on what we are doing? Any question? So let me see anything else. Hey, Carter.
Hi, getting back to the marketing. When we're doing marketing, if we have our own LLC already set up, are we able to do combined marketing with our LLC and the Loan Factory, or is everything done specifically through the Loan Factory?
We allow you to use Power Buy. But you have to let us know, and you can say ABC Mortgage Power Buy in all your ads. It has to go with Power Buy Loan Factory.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Let's see anything else I can share with you. Asset Engine Lead, Prospect, Loan Marketplace. We talk about marketplace. I think that is pretty much it. Anyone have any question for me? Hi, Mike. Hello, Mike. Oh, can I hear you? Hello, Tony.
Hey, hey,
Yeah, hi, Mike. Yeah.
yeah. When you talked about the LLC being powered by Loan Factory, can you also work as a W-2 with Loan Factory, or is that prohibited?
Yes.
So I could
Yes.
work the W-2 and have my ads promoting my LLC.
You cannot promote your LLC. I would say you promote yourself, your product, your service.
Right.
And you can have your name, but the name have to be, they have to follow by Loan Factory, powered by Loan Factory.
Right. Right.
Loan
That's what I'm saying.
Factory have to be the same side of the other name.
Right. I could have my company name powered by LLC, but work as a W-2 with Loan Factory.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Tony.
Hey, just a quick question. So I'm just starting to get into this industry. What the mentorship? Somebody had asked earlier in the chat about,
Yes.
is it possible to pick a mentor who lives close enough to us that we could actually meet them in person, or would
Yes.
it be entirely online?
Yeah, it's up to you. It's up to you. You can call up the mentor and ask them where they are. You can click on this. You can see. Actually, you can see them, and you can talk. And my advice is to call a mentor that you like. Talk to them. Find out where they are. Find out if they can match your criteria. They're gonna help you and support you or not.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And the good thing is when you work with a mentor, you can leave them. If you see that they are not helpful in helping you, dedicated, then my recommend you is to cancel that mentorship and join another mentor. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
You can click on the mentor. You can see information about the mentor, and you can write a message to them. Click on send message. Yeah, we keep things simple for everyone. Hi, Vanessa.
Hi, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. I am dual licensed with my real estate and just now got my MLO. So I'm kind of looking for somebody that will allow me to do both. And what does the compensation look like for that? Is that also commission 100%?
Yeah. Are you in California?
Arizona.
Arizona. So, yeah, as long as you have two different licenses, one license is for real estate, one license for mortgage, then you can hang your license under different company. Your real estate, you can hang with Loan Factory or any mortgage company. Your real estate license, you have to hang it with a real estate broker. That way you can do business on both sides of the same transaction.
Okay, so I would just have to make sure that my real estate company is okay with me doing MLO with Loan Factory.
Yeah, we are okay with you working with another real estate company, and they should be okay as well. If they are not okay, you should not work with them, because legally you have the license, you can do the business. I don't see any reason why they don't allow you to be a loan officer.
Yeah, my current one wasn't the happiest about it. I'm not too sure why. So I'm kind of looking as to maybe needing to switch, but I'll come to figure that out. But I was just curious to see how that would work with you guys. Thank you.
Don't stick with them. I don't see any reason to stay with that difficult brokerage, because you should be able to make money on both sides of the same transaction, same client, because you will be able to offer better pricing, better service to your client when you do both.
I
It's up,
appreciate it.
yeah, it's up to you. But for sure, let's say if you sign up with Loan Factory, we're gonna have the best possible rate, right? You can see all the ranking. You can pick the best lender with the best pricing and send your client there. Why not? I don't see anything wrong. Why would you rely on some loan officer who charge higher rate and rip off your clients and damage your reputation? Yeah.
That's kind of what prompted me into doing it myself, because I wasn't finding anybody that I was able to trust, and I was actually losing sales because of it. And I was tired of allowing that to happen.
Yeah, yeah. That is one of the biggest mistake of the realtor out there. They get comfortable. They send their business to a loan officer. They without checking to make sure those loan officers are good, have good service, good trade for our clients. Most loan officers are ignorant. They don't know what's going on. They just make it easy and send your client to some loan officer out there. Thank you, Vanessa. Hey, Craig.
Good afternoon. How are you? Can you hear me?
I'm good. Yeah, I can hear you well.
Okay, perfect. All right. Well, I'm kind of similar to Vanessa's question actually, but a little different. The technology that we can use to build things on Facebook and things like that. The real estate company that I work for, we can create our own page within the company. Would I be able to use that same technology on that page, so this way I can let other realtors know that I'm with Loan Factory, so this way we can try to build momentum.
Yeah.
So this way, if I get leads, I can give them to other people who are in other states and so on and so forth.
Yeah. With our company here, we have thousands of images loaded in here. We have thousands of images, right? And you can click on this to request them to customize for you, or you can click here to request any customized image. You can click on this to generate your own image with your own picture and information. You can do co-marketing with a realtor. You can do flyer. You can do so much more. All of these marketing material you can generate by basically clicking on the button generate. It will pop up and you can save it and promote it. There's so much more. And we are working on a feature that we can use AI to help you automate your marketing. We will post for you if you allow us to. See, you can pop up here, you can click generate, and it will generate for you. Yeah.
Oh, that's excellent. Great. Thank you.
Thank you. And it's free. Everything's free. We have thousands of images like this. A lot of images.
That's great. You can't beat free.
Yeah, yeah. And not only that, we can customize too. We can customize for you. Vanessa, you still have your hand raised?
Sorry, I'll take it down.
Okay. So you can see that we have a lot more on the right side here. You can click here to have you can chat with AI. Our AI can fill out application for you. You can ask them for your loan. You can ask them for a rate code. Our AI can talk to you. And there's a lot more. There's a lot more. Here, like mailing list. You can create a mailing list of 1,000 people and send email to them easily. Like here, I sent email to 67,000 loan officers. And I can see the statistic. I can see the statistic right here. I'm sorry. Like how many deliver, how many send unopened, send open. You know, you can see that. And we have lead funnel here. You can create a lead funnel. Let's see. You can create lead funnel and You can drive traffic here. You can promote on social media. So people click on it and become your client. We also have subscription and newsletter. There's a lot that we are doing. Like Loan Factory IQ, we're gonna roll out. We're gonna have Zoom phone. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy real-time trigger lead, or we're gonna generate thousands of leads every day. You can buy back from the company for at cost like $2 each. And the way we send you the lead is so good. So for example, we buy real-time trigger lead, right? The moment that the borrower have their credit pulled by another loan officer, we know. We know that information. We send you a text. We have a mobile app too. If you try our mobile app, you will love it. And it's free too. Loan officer can use mobile app to work for free. And when you want to work with lead, we will send you a notification on the mobile app. You tap on it, you make phone call, you call the lead right away. That helps you convert faster and better. Everything real time. Only us can do this because we are a technology company. We can help you grow your business. We can help you buy lead at a cheaper price and help you convert better. And that is why I said that you need to compare the company. You need to shop around. Our slogan is, we dare you to compare. We dare you to compare. We dare our client to shop around so that they can get better pricing. We dare loan officer to shop around so that you can work with better mortgage company to help you. You have to shop around. So anyone have more questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for spending time with me. And keep in touch. If you want to learn more, you can come back next week. I do this every week. You can join if you love to. You join and learn more from me. That's all. Hi, Carter.
Hi. Sorry, one last question. Everything you have on here sounds fantastic, but for people who are technically challenged and need assistance on doing some of these things, do you have support staff and people that can help us and
Yes.
walk us through and get us to the point to where we're self-sufficient?
Yes, we have training. When you join, we have onboarding training. We have system training. Our COO will provide training. She will show you how to work with lead, prospect, and loan. So for example, if you go to event here, you can see the training on property, a lot of training. Like our COO, she provide training on property types, right? She provide weekly ops, LO and ops. Let's see who else. We provide LO pickup call. We provide training, more training here, a lot of training. Then I will provide the training as well. So for example, there's so many events. She will explain to you about compensation and fee. I will provide training on leads and marketing. She will provide on prospect, training on prospect, working with prospect. This is a past event completed. So like today, you can click on the watch now to watch all of the training. We save it, pricing here. You can click on it to watch now. So that's a lot of training.
Thank you very much.
Not only that, but you can also get dedicated support. Every one of you will assign you one support staff so that you can talk to. Or you can go to Loan Factory here, and all of these support specialists will be ready to help you. Underwriter is ready to help you. The coach here is ready to help you. All of these are free, so you don't have to worry. Any question you ask. Hi, Carmel.
Hi, Duan. I liked your opinion. I just became a realtor too, and I see a lot of realtor. I joined the Keller Williams, so there is a lot of realtor they have, and we have so good technologies. And can you just guide me here? Just show me in the short time how I can pitch into them. Just trying to get your
How can you
idea.
what? Say that question. How can you
How
what?
I can pitch into those realtors, who don't have they are not AMLO. A lot of them are not AMLO.
Yeah, yeah. You can. This is what you can tell them in 1 minute. You
Mhm.
tell them that you can give their client the best possible rate. Tell them that you have $1,000 best price guarantee. Tell them that you work with 247 lender. You can see right here. You work with 247 lender that do all kind of loan, from private loan to commercial, to reverse mortgage, to SBA, to land, to mobile home loan, and especially non-QM loan, which is stated income, stated assets, stated employment. You can close loan for anyone, no matter if they don't have, even if they don't have income or employment, you can help them. You can tell them that you can close, because you work with so many lenders, it's easier for you to find lender to help their clients. So basically, you can close loan. That way they can make money, right? A lot of
Is it anything I can share them to on the screen to show them?
Yeah,
Is it
yeah,
okay?
why not? Yeah, why not? Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. You share with them everything you have to help them. The system that you use, the network that you use, the lender that you use, the pricing, the technology, everything gonna help you. That means you are better. You are better than any other loan officer out there. Remember one thing: when you work with Loan Factory, when you are with Loan Factory, you are empowered. Everything that helped me become number one, you have it. So you have everything to go out there and compete against anyone else. You can beat anyone. So I want you to have the confidence to go out there, to talk to your client, talk to your realtor, and become successful. Because everything you are now become a good loan officer right away. The moment you join Loan Factory, you are better than everyone else out there. We only need you to be confident, work hard, go out and talk to a lot of clients and realtor so that they know more about you. That's all you need to do. Be active, go out there and compete and win.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Don't
So
be afraid.
the future we have, of course, but thank you. I'm very impressed we have. But thank you. I'm gonna try.
And,
That's
and
why I
if you
just
lose a
them.
client for any reason, you should feel bad. You should try to think and try to find how can you be better. I can help you. If we have the mentality that we're gonna win every time, we're gonna win for sure. Thank you. Thank you. Hi,
Thank you.
Sirisha.
Hi. One more question. I hear many times credit unions give lowest arm rates. So how we will match with that?
Credit union and bank, they have very good rate on jumbo and ARM products. So we cannot compete against them. However, if it is conventional loan, FHA loan, VA loan, nobody can beat us.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have to have the confidence. We have to be confident. And we're going to be successful for sure. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoy it. And feel free to come back next week. And feel free to reach out to me if you want to talk to me. No other company out there offer more than us. in terms of technology, pricing, lender support. Everything we do is better, and you don't have to pay for all of this. Everything we do, we offer to you. You don't have to pay. If you join us, you don't close any loan in 3 months, 6 months, you pay nothing. With other broker or other company, either they will make you pay every month, or they will rip you out. The commission, they pay you a lot less than us. We pay you 100% minus a flat fee. So no one else out there can compare against Loan Factory. So I want you to do more comparison and find out who should you work with. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.